Good morning, everyone. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Another day in the markets. Today it is Thursday, October 31st, Halloween 2019. Wrapping up the last day of the trading session for the month of October. So let's get into it. Yesterday, what we obviously saw, the market closed strong after the Fed meeting wrapped up, and Powell said that they're going to be cutting rates. We did think that the decision was going to be already priced into the market, but after all, we did see an over a point move to the upside, going red to green. We saw a little bit of the push after hours as well, but we're seeing a little bit of a pullback pre-market. SPY actually cracked that 305 level. First time it's traded in the 305s ever. It's pulled back quite hard, a little over a point and a half. So right now it's coming back to the low of yesterday, which is 302.92, the open actually. So we're looking for continued probably selling today after that push to the upside. You know, obviously you push prices higher, it gives a great opportunity for shorts to step in and push prices back down. So anyway, we got what, 7 on our watches going into today's session. Sector wise, we had a 8-3 bull split. Utilities took the top spot. Energy held the bottom, with materials and financials. So let's get into it. We're going to be putting up Apple for our first security for our watch. And they actually posted pretty good earnings after hours last night. And as you can see, pushed higher to that 249.75 pre-market as well was the high. Now it's pulling back. So we're going to look at 242.93 to risk off to the upside. We're going to see some continued buying in Apple. Next up, we got Baba. Baba closed up just north of half a point, not too much. Obviously ran up after hours as well, pulling back pre-market with the rest of the market. SPY is pulling back as well. So everything's kind of pulling back with the market overall. But we are going to be bullish. We like it technically to the 179.40, so a couple more points to the upside. Next up, Facebook posted pretty good earnings as well. As you can see, gapped up nicely after hours in the close, and then pre-market. It's kind of sustained the level, so to speak, to the upside, but we definitely like it pushing higher, and we got we got about 2 to 3 points to the upside target for Facebook, obviously considering that these levels are going to be holding to bounce off to the north side. Next up, we got NVDA. NVDA obviously closed up barely green, pulling back obviously with the market pre-market, but we got a 205.42 initial and 207.50 for our secondary push to the upside. Tesla, pulled back. It had 3 days in a row selling after its run up, putting in lower highs and lower lows. You know, definitely want to use this 309, 310 level to mitigate to the north side. If it does crack that level, then we're probably going to reintroduce to that 300 level. But I think it's going to get a nice bounce and curl to the upside on the hourly. As the bottom of the chart, you can see a nice kind of base put in at that 310 to curl to the upside. So if it does hold that level, we look for the 316 to 320 for our target. Next up, we got TD, same situation, kind of curling up as well. Closed up just south of 2.5 points. It's coming up on its 50-day moving average, so we're looking to push through that 212.25 level to 215. So we got about 2 to 3 points to the upside. Going to wrap it up with United Health. They're looking strong. They had a pretty good day yesterday, closing up just north of 2.5 points. Technically, we got another few points to the upside as well, so we're going to be bullish on United Health today. Any pullbacks to 253, we're going to mitigate to the north side. So that's what we got, guys. We got the 7 on our watch list. Waiting to see how the street's going to react after the positive news coming out of the Feds. So if it holds these levels for a bounce, we look for some price to push higher today for the last day of the October trading session. So anyways, guys, as always, be patient with price, be patient with setups, and respect your stops if you're wrong. All right, guys, any questions? Reach out.